Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to talk about how to add trust badges to your Shopify store, and it will be a complete beginner friendly video. I am going to describe everything step by step throughout the video, so I will request you to guys to watch the video till the end. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So here you can see this is our Shopify dashboard panel, and we are going to use our trial version here. So as you can see, this is our front end design, and this one is the front end design. This is the product we have. So I am going to integrate and trust base so customer or audience can believe us and trust us for the purchasing. So I will click on this setting. Once I click over here, then I will find out an options called apps and sales channels. So let's scroll down the mouse, and you will find out this option in the middle of this section. So just click on apps and sales channel. Once you click over here, then just click on this button on the top. You will find out called Shopify app store. Just click over here. Once you click over here, then it will redirect you to this page, and in this page you just need to be search in here in the middle. You will get here, you just need to be search it trust badge, and let's hit enter button. Once you click over here, there you will get couple of options. As you can see, that CONet trust badge icon, then conversation via trust icon, that average boost sell trust badge, then have couple of other things. Let's go again. I don't know why this happened. So here we have couple of things to use it. So all are free. As you can see, free plan available, then free plan, free, again free. So you can choose whatever you want. All are the same and all are really good. So if you want to read their information and then take your decisions properly, so here you can see it has almost 4.9 star rating out of 5, and here you can see their rating. One thing I love that this app is offer over 3,100 free badges template, and it is easy to select. Then again we have this one called conversation via trust base. This is also a free, and here you can see that a very practical and necessary application, easy to use, so you can choose whatever you want. So there is no obstacle or drawback you have. All are the perfect and all are very useful for use. So here I am going to install one of them. So let's find out which one will be proper for me, built for Shopify. So I am going to work with CO and let's try to install it. Just click on install. Once I click over here, then it will redirect me to the new tab, and as you can see that the channel AI CONet is opening. So here you can see it's CONet trust base, and now I'm going to click on install. Once I click over here, then it will redirect me to the new tab where our install file is showing. I am going to pin it on our navigation, and now eventually you can see this is the CONet trust base dashboard. So let's see, step one is to create a new base. Here let's click on got it, and let's see there is a couple of options like select template. So trust base, I will select all of them. Let's select this one, enable it, special badge, then custom block, and let's click on create badge. And in this way you are allowed to create your badge. So here you can see we have the design. So I am going to discard it because I want to explore further more. Then I will come over that place. There is the options. Then we have this boost your sales with our leading app selection. This is the app selection. This is not mandatory. So I just need to be enable the setting. First of all, here you can see theme store app enable is off. So I am going to enable it. First of all, just click over here, and the process will be really easy, as you can see it practically. So here it will take a while to load, and now here you can see icon and badge banner. So it has been enabled. So I'm going to click on save. Once I click over here save, and I will come back, and now eventually you can see that theme store app embedded one, and now we can start work on our dashboard. So here I am going to create a new badge for my users. So I will click on create new badge. On that I will select this one, payment badge, and then I will click on create badge. Once I click over here, now you can see a pop-up has been come, and here we have this badge name, then we have payment badge, it's called heading, then we have this one visa. You can select the design if it is needed. I am selecting this Bisha one. Then this one will be more familiar for me. I think it will look good. Then here you can change the header size. Then we have badge size, so I'm going to make it 100. Let's see. No, not it's not looks cool. 80 will be perfect. I think 70 will be more familiar. You can add new badge block also. Let's try to add new badge block, create add, and you can see that it has been added. If you want to edit it, you are allowed to edit it. I will make it 17 or 16 will be good. Then I will come back to this one. There is a two options like payment badge and another one is trust badge. So if you want to add furthermore, you are allowed to add it. So I'm going to click on style. So here you are allowed to change the style. Then I see that there is options called checkout securely, so you can change this heading. So I'm going to make it subscribe our channel. So this way you can change your heading. If you don't want any heading, you can just remove it. Then you can select the display placement if it is needed, like you can see display on product page. Okay, that's great. So I am going to save it. Once I click over here, save, it has been saved, and let's preview it. And eventually let's go to the product, and here you can see, boom, our plugin is working, and we added this element. And this is the Visa card, MasterCard, we have American Express, and the trust badge has been perfectly integrated with our products. So here you can see how easy the process was. So you just need to be edit the template, and you just need to be explore it. So let's add another new page block, like badge block. I'm going to add it, special badge. Then I will click on this one, and then here I will see that the badge size is really big, so I'm going to make it proper size. You can adjust the header and the size on mobile also. So if you want to make it like mobile friendly, then you can work with this one. Then again I'm going to add another one. This is custom block, and here you can see no extra shipping, easy return. So I am going to change it to 30, and let's see, 30 is not okay. I will make it 50, and then I will remove it. And custom badge, I will make the title size 60 and subheading is 50. Icon will be 25. Yeah, it's now okay. Like if you want to edit on this, you are allowed to edit it. You can change the icon, you can change the title, you can change the subheading too. Then you have this one special badge here. As you can see it, if you want to edit it, you are allowed to edit it too. So here you can see, you just need to be explore it. If you want to add further more to here, you have ability to add whatever you want to add. Let's add a couple of other things. Okay, as you can see it, we added it, and now we are going to save it. And if you want to remove one of them, just click on remove. Let's see it. This way you can remove all the badges and you can add it properly. So this is just very simplest one. I hope you love this video. Now you can easily add your badges on your website to make it more trustworthy website for you. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.